the 2011 that we just got in from Texas.
We'll have tons more details on the website this afternoon. 2214 courses. Tons of upgrades. This truck's on a McCoy's kit. It is a fully loaded LTZ. Suspension upgrades with kryptonite, Cognito control arms. Fully loaded LTZ. And stepper wheels. Anyway, there'll be a full list on our website this afternoon, so come check it out. www.dlux-motorsports.com.